Webinars are invaluable tools that help businesses identify audiences who are interested in their product and follow them up with targeted emails. Webinargeek is a revolutionary webinar tool that allows for real-time chat, event scheduling, live streaming, multi-camera conference calls, client onboarding, and sales funnel automation. Webinargeek is a user-friendly and automated webinar hosting platform with advanced features to increase your overall brand image and conversion rate. It offers a range of features, including video conferencing, screen sharing, chat, polling, and analytics that allow users to engage with their audience in an immersive way. Teams using Webinargeek can create custom registration pages with company logos and colors that can be used on business websites to help establish brand identity. Additionally, users can import contact information and send emails to customers to facilitate two-way communication. Participants can also use the registration form to subscribe to webinars through the website. Webinargeek offers paid webinars, enabling enterprises to collect payments from viewers to participate in webinars. It helps generate reports to analyze the behavior of an individual as per desired success metrics. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this marketing tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Webinargeek review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Webinargeek. What does Webinargeek really do? Webinargeek is a cloud-based webinar tool designed to help diverse businesses attract new clients by enabling users to organize, manage, and promote professional webinars effortlessly. Its automated email feature saves time for organizers while providing hassle-free communication to a broader audience. The efficient email system and reporting tool have made customer communication more effective, streamlining business operations. Webinargeek's private chat feature also helps moderators communicate during webinars, facilitating smooth flow by avoiding interruptions from attendees' chats. Webinargeek makes creating webinar series possible, keeping audiences engaged longer and reaching more people with fewer webinars. Webinargeek helps increase engagement, generate leads, streamline communication, automate reports, create a series of webinars easily, and provide privacy to attendees while reaching a global audience effectively. It is user-friendly with accessible personal help desk support, making it easy to conduct automated, on-demand, or live webinars for your audience, irrespective of size. Benefits and key features of Webinargeek. 1. User-friendly platform. Users have found Webinargeek to be very easy to use and intuitive, with a logical setup that makes navigation effortless. 2. Email and SMS automation. With Webinargeek, you can set up automated emails and SMS to remind your audience about upcoming webinars, a product offer, or a link to the sales page. 3. Automated webinars. Webinargeek allows users to fine-tune presentations in advance. All you need to do is indicate when the automated webinar will be live and have full insight into all the statistics that are collected during registration and the webinar itself. 4. Customizable registration page. You can change the text and colors of your registration page in Webinargeek. You can also send a direct link without registration or create a registration form that you can embed on your website. 5. Call to action buttons to increase conversions. With Webinargeek, you can show a piece of text with a button to that page during the webinar. You can also embed a form to register for the next webinar or a link to the sales page. 6. Automatic webinar recordings. Automatically record your webinars and allow your audience to re-watch them or watch them for the first time later. 7. Real-time chat and screen sharing. These are useful if you want to discuss a specific product or explain something. You can choose to share your entire screen or a specific window. 8. Detailed analytics and reporting. Webinargeek enables you to track up on each webinar with precise information about how it went, such as attendee counts, engagement levels, and click-through rates. This can help you plan future webinars that will receive a greater response from the audience. Webinargeek's pricing and plans. Webinargeek offers a per-host pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 14-day free trial version lets you evaluate the software's capabilities with limited features. The other plans are the basic, premium, and enterprise plans. If you pay annually and sign up through the link in the description below, you will receive discount offers and other benefits, like unlimited attendees for all of your webinars. Pros: multi-hosting capabilities for live, on-demand, and automated webinars. Automated workflows to handle tasks like registrations, reminders, and follow-ups. Custom branding, integration, and analytics. Extensive marketing and webinar tools to support lead generation. Training modules and updates to increase your conversion rates. Reliable tech and video connectivity. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: standard features like automation and custom branding are only offered in the paid plans. Conclusion: Webinargeek allows you to create professional webinars without prior experience or technical expertise. Webinargeek also provides seamless integration with various third-party applications and platforms, enabling users to connect their webinar data with other business tools and systems they use regularly. Users commended Webinargeek's various features, which enabled them to run effective and professional webinars. The functionality was versatile, making it easy for users to tailor the registration page and welcome emails according to their needs. Registration forms can be embedded on a website, and attendees can subscribe to the webinar through the website, with the tool taking care of the rest. Whether you're creating live webinars, product demos, instant replays, group coaching sessions, one-on-one sessions, internal training, or automated/hybrid webinars, Webinargeek has got you covered. Take advantage of its capabilities to streamline your marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights with ease. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Webinargeek. If you enjoyed this Webinargeek review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.